போல்வன் இருத்தனே நன்றி மகத்தனே யான கொருதினே கும்பிய வைத்தனி போற்றுகின்றேன்.
Hare மன்னானாலம் திருச்செந்தூரில் மன்னாவே மன்னானாலம் திருச்செந்தூரில் மன்னாவே ஒரு மருமானாலும் பழமும் ஜோதி பரமாவே ஒரு மருமானாலும் பழமும் ஜோதி பரமாவே கருகல்லானாலும் கல்வி மல்லில் கல்லாவே கருகல்லானாலும் கல்வி மல்லில் கல்லாவே மதுபொல்லானாலும் முருகன் நல்வாழ் பூவாவே நான் மன்னானாலும் திருச்செந்தூரில் மன்னாவே ஒரு மருமானாலும் பழமும் ஜோதி பரமாவே பொன்னானாலும் பரிவில் செய்யும் பொன்னாவே பரிபூமானாலும் தருவது பொய்கை பூவாவே பொன்னானாலும் பரிவில் செய்யும் பொன்னாவே பரிபூமானாலும் தருவது பொய்கை பூவாவே நபி பேச்சானாலும் திருமுகம் விளக்க பேச்சாவே நபி பேச்சானாலும் திருமுகம் விளக்க பேச்சாவே மனமேச்சானாலும் முருகன் நல்வாழ் முத்தாவே நான் மன்னானாலும் திருச்செந்தூரில் மன்னாவே ஒரு மருமானாலும் பழமுடி ஜோதி பரமாவே சொல்லானாலும் கோவில் நுழைக்கும் சொல்லாவே மழைச்சுவையானாலும் பஞ்சம் இருந்த சுவையாவே சொல்லானாலும் கோவில் நுழைக்கும் சொல்லாவே மழைச்சுவையானாலும் பஞ்சம் இருந்த சுவையாவே அருள் கொண்டானாலும் வீர பேரும் கொண்டாவே அருள் கொண்டானாலும் வீர பேரும் கொண்டாவே கரி உயிரானாலும் முருகன் நல்வாழ் பரவே நான் மன்னானாலும் திருச்செந்தூரில் மன்னாவே ஒரு மருமானாலும் பழமுடி ஜோதி பரமாவே கருகல்லானாலும் கல்வி மல்லில் கல்லாவே கருகல்லானாலும் கல்வி மல்லில் கல்லாவே மதுபொல்லானாலும் முருகன் நல்வாழ் பூவாவே நான் மன்னானாலும் திருச்செந்தூரில் மன்னாவே ஒரு மருமானாலும் பழமுடி ஜோதி பரமாவே முருகா 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 முருகா
शिव कुमारिणे शक्ति
Come to me, Lord.
Arume
Right, let's do the cooling of the yajnam. Sanattavar Mudikam, Tirupugar, Varanagirinathar, all rise. Kenny, what's the beat? Where's Kenny? Come Kenny, you need the beat, I need some orchestra again. You can keep a drum beat as well. So carry on. Okay. Vetrivel Muruganukku. I didn't hear the whole crowd, I just said the two boys. Vetrivel Muruganukku. Veeravel Muruganukku. Veeravel Muruganukku. Sinattavar Mudikam, Pagattavar Mudikam, Vekottavar Mudikam.
Perumal
முருகா வேல் முருகா வேல் முருகா வேல் முருகனுக்கு
பராசக்தி பராசக்தி மகாதேவ மகாதேவ மகாதேவ.
Maga, you may be seated. Thank you, and over to our Tamil. Dear horses, get ready to go around the temple one round shortly.
Thank you. வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றிவேல்
மற்றாடு பொய்கி வளைநாட கண்டு அலிமேலிருந்த குமரா முத்தாடி தட்ட அடியேனியாலம் முருகேசன் என்ன மனதே வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு சர்வண்ண பவகுக சண்முக வீரா
Arohara
My dear people, there's no function without formalities, without speech, and without some knowledge being added to our presence here. I call on our secretary, Jyoti Murli. Dr. S.N. Tappale is taking electronic duty today, so we get Jyoti to address you. Give the secretary hand as well. She works hard as well.
Namaste, namaskar, and all Sairam to one and all of you. Salutations to God in all forms, but especially as Lord Muruga, the presiding deity in our Kogal. On behalf of Guru Samanand Sarukesar and the management committee of the Siva Subramani Kogal, we warmly and humbly welcome you to our day 6 of our Chitra Paravam Kavadi Festival. In terms of acknowledgements, first and foremost, our Guru, Samanand Sarukesar, Mikkanandi Guru, for not only conducting the daily prayer functions here, but adding your own special touches, your new songs, your meditation, and just bringing us peace and tranquility to the prayer, which we really, really appreciate. I thought I'll say something different today. Thank you. Next, to our Obayar family. Mr. Justin and Mrs. Julie Pillay, and they are joined today by Mr. Desan and Mrs. Prabhashni Kandasamy. Both these families and their children need no introduction. They are actually part of the SSK family, I would say, and as Murugan Bhaktans are devoted to serve not only our temple, but many, many temples in the areas. Both these young men offer their assistance in terms of sponsorships, in terms of any assistance, be it a video or a song or a little message of positivity. I know Desan does this all the time, giving people encouragement and Murugan Bhakti. Thank you, Desan. So now I just want to focus on Justin as well. Justin's been carrying Kavadi here at Siva Subramani Kogal since you were a young man, Justin. A boy, actually, yeah. So Justin is grown up at Siva Subramani Kogal, and he has not left us. He comes here every year to carry Kavadi. He is actually, and I want you to give him a round of applause for this, because he is actually the chairperson of the Sri Siva Subramani Alayam, which is the Break Village temple, and we commend him for the work he's doing. Please give him the biggest round of applause. He actually still carries Kavadi with us, although he has the opportunity of carrying it within the biggest in the Southern Hemisphere. We thank you with our humble hands. Thank you very much. You will see both these guys offer chariots, pin on faith, and really motivate devotees during our Kavadi festival. We ask that you come and see how they do their beautification and alangaram of their chariots, of their Kavadis. There's so much of pride and dedication in their Murugan Bhakti. We really, really are proud to be associated with them, and we hope that our association will go on for many, many years. Namaste. Next, I want to thank our bhajan group. They really brought on the Friday vibrations to the Tongal Tamil Academy, led by Vivian Governor, Renisha Gounden, not Governor. Gounden, I really thank you for the positive, and the medleys were really, really electric. I was dancing in the temple, but thank you. I think everyone, give them a round of applause. Next to our SSK members who are continuing to make this temple and the function happen every day in preparing and putting together the biggest function in our temple. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Next, we want to just remind you of a few things around our Kavadi. Our Paravam Kavadi will be carried on Tuesday the 23rd at 7:30. I just want to remind you that the flowers are going to be available on Sunday from about 10 a.m. For those carrying on Tuesday, and we will announce the time and pick up of the flowers for the 27th. But please come and come and collect your Kavadi flowers on Sunday so that you can bring your decorated Kavadis back on Monday. That is the day before the Paravam Kavadi. If you still need to book or order flowers, please see the Avanti at the admin desk. Okay, so the chairman has reminded me he's made an effort to get these flowers into boxes. If you can please return these boxes when you have decorated your Kavadi, as we can then recycle them for the Saturday flowers. We'd really appreciate that. The other thing that we want to remind you is one thing to decorate your Kavadis, also need to undecorate your Kavadi when you finish your Paravam Kavadi so that we don't have too much of work. It is your vow. Take those beautiful flowers and offerings back to your homes and put them on your doors, on your sami room, or your idols. It is not to be thrown in the bin, so let's just make sure you take your offering back with you. Then in terms of vegetable cleaning, we haven't got much people on the list as yet, and Friday is a working day. We are please looking for volunteers to come during the day from about 10 o'clock in the morning to help us clean all of the vegetables that are required for the biryani on Saturday. We also want, at this stage, I'm going to be using this platform to do a little advert for my family, my dad, Professor KG Priya, Professor KG Murli. Now, it's actually what we are trying to encourage in the temple anyway, is to look at the books that are available at the table. I cannot stress the importance of having some information so that when your children and other people ask you on what is going on in Hinduism, so that you can educate yourself on our culture and religion. He has 5 books on display. He will be able to take you through the books. All he's asking you is to please visit the stand when you finish the prayer. It's free. You're under no pressure to buy any books. Go and talk to the author, get some knowledge, get something from him. He has a lot to impart as well. So I think that's all in terms of the announcements. But we will be now having over, as customary at SSK, we do have a discourse. But once we finish the discourse, then we'll be having Tonga Tamil Academy do the dance. We are anticipating that. And one more song, and then we're going to be concluding with another Hindu. So I hand over to Liashin Pillai. Let's give him a round of applause and let's support him all the way. Thank you, Liashin.
Hello. Okay. Vanakkam, namaste, namaskaram, and Om Sai Ram to one and all. Today I'll be... Hello? Okay. Today I'll be talking about the Swami Iduman and the Kavadi. According to mythology, Iduman was the first one to carry a Kavadi. Iduman was believed to be one of the first survivors of the war between Lord Muruga and the Asura clan, led by Surapadna. He became a disciple of sage Agastriyar, who requested Iduman to take his 2 hills, Sivagiri and Shaktigiri, from Kailasam in the north of India and Pashini in south of India. Iduman secured the 2 hills to the end of a pole, lifted the pole and placed it on his shoulders. When he was about halfway up Pashini hill, he felt tired and put the load down. When he wanted to resume his journey, he found his load to be too heavy. Also, he saw a little boy who was in the way. He angrily asked the boy to move. When the boy refused, Iduman engaged in a fight with the boy. The boy, who was actually Lord Muruga, hit Iduman till he lost consciousness. After he was restored to his conscious state by Lord Muruga, Iduman realized that the boy who he fought was his favorite deity. He then prayed to Lord Muruga and pleaded that whoever offered a Kavadi should be blessed. Iduman also pleaded that he should be given the job of guarding the entrance to the Pashini temple. Based on the story, a shrine has been built halfway up Pashini hill as an icon to Iduman, who has been placed there. By tradition, devotees first pay respect to Iduman before they seek the darshan of Lord Dan Dayudapani. in the temple of Pashini. The message of the Iduman story is that the arrogance should be put down, as Iduman, who stands for arrogance in the story, was put down. Paying respect to Iduman is the same as touching the Bali Pidam at the entrance to a temple. In both cases, we ask God to control our arrogance. Incidentally, Lord Muruga, as Lord Tandi Yada Pani, stands for the Yagam, or renunciation. He is covered only with a small loincloth. The message is that we should not have a great desire for material things. Desire for material things makes it harder for us to realize God. A kavadi is made up of a wooden structure, decorations with flowers and foliage, and the devotees' personal offerings. The personal offering can be one of milk, pal kavadi, rose water, paneer kavadi, sandalwood paste, sandana kavadi, and flowers, pushpa kavadi. Milk, sandalwood, rose water are also used for abhishekam, and flowers are used for archane and for alangaram. What do the offerings of milk, rose water, sandalwood paste, and flowers mean? All four are purifying agents. The white color of milk stands for purity, and milk also cleans the surface of the murtis. Rose water is a cleaning agent that also adds a pleasing smell to the mulashtanam. Flowers have a fragrance which purifies the air inside the temple. Why do we offer the kavadi to Lord Muruga? There's no one answer to this question. It depends on the needs of the Murugan devotee. Usually, a kavadi is offered to thank Lord Muruga for a blessing already received, or it is offered to us for a blessing. There is one benefit which all devotees get by carrying the kavadi. This great benefit is balance. Samanale in Tamil. Balance is important in all aspects of our life. When we balance the kavadi on our shoulders, we symbolically ask Lord Muruga for his grace of balance. Thank you.
Thank you, Liangshan. Over to Tongla Tamil Academy and the dance item.
Oh, really dancing?
Copy that.
It's like I'm inside in for something. Oh, sorry, wait. I think I should go on the stage. No, I should go on the stage with the camera just so I can look down, but then they're looking this side. Okay. I should go with the camera there. Okay. See what angle you can do.
வேல் முருகா வேல் முருகா வேல் வேல் முருகா வேல் முருகா வேல் சுத்தோ சீலனே வடிவேலனே சீமா
முருகாவும் திருக்கரமே பிள்ளை பாக்கியம் தந்தாய் நீ அருள் வரமே ஆடிவா மயில் ஏறிவா பத்துமலை ஆண்டவனே வடிவேலா
I think they deserve another round of applause. Then I would tell you, when we were at Tamil School in Manaskom, in Martin Kutri, the scholar tune was sometimes dangerous to undertake. Somebody look on the other side and whack you on your finger. I'm sure that happened to you. They say, I'm not yours, and Amma is not your carrier. Okay, so that can happen. It's a skill to make sure you hit back the stick, not the person there. And I dread if you got vengeance with somebody and play call out, it's another story. So with that, well done to our song at Tamil Academy. Let's give another round of applause to the rendition, to the call out, the one before this. And this call out seemed like the Muruga Veriatum, which was very, very good. With a lot of passion and a lot of action and a lot of energy. We'll ask them to sing one more song. Sorry we could have listened to them, but we got to finish. And Guru walks out for what? Supper. We got to have supper. So. Vechivel Muruganukku! Vechivel Muruganukku! Vechivel Muruganukku! Take it away. And thereafter, Jyoti, Nadavindu.
Yeah.
Dear devotees, we'll do the Divartana of the Abhyalar family, and thereafter we will call you to the Divartana. Devotees, the Abhyalar family are doing the final prayer. Thereafter, you will come all in one night, and whoever is the front will turn, and then you come take your blessing at the chariot and then go back to your seat. In the meantime, while that is happening, our Changlat Tamil Academy will do the Nadabindu, and we will shortly arrive for that. Once the Bial family is done here, they will go into the temple. Vechivel Muruganukku! Vechivel Muruganukku! Vechivel Muruganukku! Om Shakti! Om Shakti! Om Shakti! Vechivel Muruga! Vechivel Muruga! Vechivel Muruga! You go inside, Justin. You will do Nadabindu. You outside inside. The rest of you can come through, please.
Namo
Let's do the food prayer. Ireva, Yangal, Unavukku, Nandri. God, thank you for food. Yangal, Budal, Shaktikku, Nandri. Thank you for the strength that comes from the food. Yangalukku, Noyatra, Varvam, give us good health. Kurivatra, Selvamam, Taruvayaga, keep on fires burning and keep the food on the table. Indru, Inda, Unavai, Tayarita, Karangalukku, the hands that prepared the food. Nandri, Nandri, Nandri. Thank you. Then Obayar, Kudumattarukku, Nandri, Nandri, Nandri. To the BM family, Justin, Julie, and Ganapati is joining them as well. We say thank you. And finally, Muruga, Tunai, Tunai, Tunai. Be our God, be our companion, and accompany us. Let's do Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. You can be seated. Dear devotees, tomorrow we're starting. Well, I'm going to try to be here about 4:30. I've got a wedding in Amslanga. Once I'm done there, the 3 to 4, 4:30. So I'm trying to get here between 4:30 and 5, but we will start at 5 tomorrow, please. Come on, come on. It's a weekend. Let's join. Let's do the same vibration we did today and the whole week. Today is day 6. And then on Sunday, we're starting at 1 o'clock. So we want to see you here, being with us, and celebrating with us. So please have supper before you leave, and God guide you. Nanda?